Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where your fuel pump relay and fuel pump fuse are, as well as how to test your fuel pump real quick. If this video is helpful, can you hit that thumbs up button for me and drop a comment down below? Really helps me out a lot. So come over here, pop your hood, and then we're going to come over here to the under the hood fuse box. This can be kind of a pain to get open. You have to lift this tab right here. I had to use a little screwdriver to pry it up because it was hard to get. But your fuel pump fuse is this 20 amp fuse right here, and this is your fuel pump relay right here. So if we pull this out, and then you get yourself a jumper wire or a little paper clip or something, and then touch like this, these two, you can hear that fuel pump kick on. I don't know if you can hear it whining, but I can. So that's how you test it. So if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button for me, leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching.